So you wanna make your AI wander randomly. That's where Get Random Reachable Point in radius comes into play. And to get this node, just type in the whole name and it will appear. So it gives you a location that the AI can actually walk to, not stuck in walls or unreachable area. A location where the NPC can actually go. And I have made a simple logic here where I'm getting the access location and then the random reachable point, and then I'm feeding this location to the AI move to, and you can put the radius however long or however small you can. So we are increasing the radius size to 5000 here, and it will make the NPC move, or for now our tutorial character, which is just a cube, and we are selecting the pawn as self, and on begin play it will move and it will keep doing that again and again and again. So let's just press play, and as you can see on the screen, these two cubes just moving to all random locations. As you can see on the screen, it is taking the point within the radius of 5000 unreal units, and then it's going to that location randomly. It's completely random, so it won't, they won't might even come close. That helps. And of course we can just make more cubes, and now you can see clearly how all of them are going to every other location, every different location, as you can see on the screen. So it's very useful when you are your guards are chasing you, and then suddenly you become stealth and they won't be able to find you, so they will look around like where the hell the MC is gone to. So it's core for wandering wildlife, patrolling NPCs, or randomizing where the enemy go when idle. It makes the world feel alive instead of static. There is some randomness to it. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.